Hi viewers, a very warm welcome to you all to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to share with you a Chinese starter recipe. It is chicken sesame fingers with honey garlic sauce. These are the ingredients required for this recipe. Now let's get started. For the chicken sesame fingers, take quarter kg of boneless chicken, cut into finger size strips. Marinate in buttermilk for about half an hour. Marinate in the refrigerator. Now once it gets marinated, strain it with a colander and squeeze out the extra moisture from it, which makes it easier for us to fry. To this add 1 teaspoon of roasted and ground red chili powder and about 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and about 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, one teaspoon of white vinegar, one teaspoon of soya sauce, and about half a teaspoon of salt. Mix all these together and refrigerate it for about 2 hours. Till it gets marinated, let's start making the sauce. For this you need to blanch the tomatoes. We blanch the tomatoes to retain the color of the tomatoes. Take water in a vessel and let it boil. Now you can drop in the tomatoes into them. Let them stay immersed for about 2 minutes. Now take ice cubes in a bowl and add some water to it. Let the water get chilled. Wait till it gets chilled. Now you can drop in the tomatoes into the chilled water. And let them sit in the chilled water for about 5 minutes. Now you can peel off the skin. You can cut them and keep aside. Take a pan and add about 2 teaspoons of gingerly oil. Once the oil gets heated, add about 50 grams of garlic. I've taken 50 grams of garlic. Roast it till it becomes light golden brown. Do it on a medium flame. Now at the center of the pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil and add 4 to 5 red chilies and roast them till you get that nice aroma. To this add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Now lower the flame because the sesame seeds will pop up. So do it on a slow flame. Now it is ready. You can cool it and grind it coarsely. Don't grind it like a paste. Grind it coarsely. You should be able to see the tidbits of the garlic and the sesame and the chili. So grind it like this. Now take a pan and add about 30 ml of oil. I'm using gingerly oil for this. And once the oil gets heated, add half a cup of finely chopped spring onion bulb. And saute it until it becomes nice golden brown in color. I'm using the bulb of the spring onion. Now add the ground tomato puree which we had blanched it before. Now since we have blanched it, this will be a residue free tomato puree without skin, and it also helps in maintaining the color of the sauce. So for any sauce preparation, you have to blanch the tomatoes. Cover it and cook for some time. Do it on a medium flame and mix it on and off. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil to make it little smooth. Now you can add the chopped spring onion leaves. This will add flavor to the sauce. Now add the ground chili garlic sesame paste. Reduce the flame and mix it well. And fry it till the raw smell goes off. Cover it and cook for some time. Now to this add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix it well and add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Mix it nicely. Now add some water to bring it to the sauce consistency. Cook for some time. Cover it with a lid. Now add 2 tablespoons of honey. And switch off the stove. Mix it well. Now garnish it with the chopped spring onion leaves. Now our honey garlic sauce is ready to be served. Now time to fry the marinated chicken. For this you need to take a bowl and add about 2 tablespoons of maida, 1 tablespoon of rice flour and about 1 tablespoon of corn flour and about half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it well with a whisk and add water gradually and make a smooth batter without lumps. Keep it aside. We need to make breadcrumbs for this. I've taken 5 pieces of bread and I've toasted them till they become crispy. I've done this in a microwave oven. If you want, you can do it on a tawa also. Break into pieces and grind them roughly. Don't grind them to a fine powder. The texture has to be like this. Granules. To this, add 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes and about 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Mix it well and keep it aside. This will make a chicken very crispy. Now take the marinated chicken and prick them using a fork. Dip them into the batter and roll them over the breadcrumbs. We are using a fork so that our fingers do not get battered. Roll it nicely and place them on a plate. Do this for the other chicken strips also and keep them aside and they are ready to be fried. Take oil in a pan. I have taken sunflower oil Don't use sesame oil for this because it will become too much of sesame. It may even turn out bitter. Do it on a medium flame. Fry one by one. Fry till they turn golden brown. Now they've turned golden brown. Now you can take them and place them on an absorbent paper. Now our chicken sesame fingers is ready to be served. Arrange the fried fingers over the garlic sauce. Now our chicken sesame fingers with honey garlic sauce is ready to be served. If you like my recipe and my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get my new video updates. Thank you very much.